What if I told you one small driving habit you repeat every single day could cut your transmission life in half? Sounds dramatic, but it's absolutely real. CVT transmissions are used in over 30% of modern cars globally, and yet they are also among the most commonly replaced transmissions before 120,000 kilometers. Why? Not because they are weak, but because most drivers unknowingly abuse them. Unlike traditional automatics, CVTs rely on precision, pressure, and perfect fluid behavior. Even slight misuse builds damage silently over time. In today's video, we are going to uncover the 7 everyday habits that are quietly destroying your CVT. And trust me, you are probably doing at least 3 of them right now. Let's start with one of the most common mistakes. Habit number 7. Aggressive acceleration from a standstill. The moment you slam the accelerator from 0, your CVT experiences one of its most stressful conditions. Inside the transmission, a high-strength metal belt is squeezed between 2 pulleys, and under hard acceleration, the pressure on that belt increases instantly to handle torque demand. Research in automotive engineering shows that sudden throttle inputs can increase internal transmission stress by up to 3 times compared to gradual acceleration. That's because the system has no fixed gears to distribute load. It relies entirely on friction and pressure balance. Over time, this repeated stress leads to microscopic wear on the belt surface that reduces its grip efficiency. This causes slipping, which generates even more heat and creates a destructive cycle. Mechanics often report that vehicles driven aggressively have CVT failures nearly 2 times earlier than those driven smoothly. Just by easing into the throttle, you reduce internal stress dramatically and extend your transmission life significantly. Habit number 6. Holding the car on inclines. Using the accelerator. This habit may seem harmless, but it is actually one of the fastest ways to overheat your CVT. When you use the accelerator to hold your car on a slope instead of the brake, the transmission is stuck in a partial engagement state. This means the belt is constantly trying to move while being resisted by gravity. According to transmission specialists, this can raise CVT fluid temperatures by 20 to 30 degrees Celsius higher than normal driving conditions. And here is the scary part. CVT fluid begins to degrade rapidly above certain temperatures, losing its ability to lubricate and maintain proper friction. Once fluid breaks down, internal components start wearing at an accelerated rate. Many CVT overheating issues reported in urban driving are directly linked to this habit. Over time, it leads to burnt fluid, glazing of pulleys, and even permanent damage. Simply using your brake pedal instead can completely eliminate this hidden stress. Habit number 5. Skipping CVT fluid changes. One of the biggest myths is that transmission fluid is lifetime. In reality, CVT fluid works under extreme pressure and heat, and it degrades faster than most people think. Inside a CVT, the fluid doesn't just lubricate, it also transfers power and keeps the belt and pulleys functioning smoothly. As the fluid ages, it loses its viscosity and ability to maintain proper friction levels. This leads to slipping, shuddering, and eventually internal damage. Experts recommend changing CVT fluid every 40,000 to 60,000 kilometers, yet many drivers ignore it completely. The cost of fluid replacement is minimal compared to a full CVT rebuild, which can easily run into thousands of dollars. This is not maintenance you can afford to skip. Habit number 4. Shifting without a full stop. Every time you shift from drive to reverse while the car is still moving, you are sending a shock wave through your transmission. In a CVT system where components are constantly adjusting ratios, this sudden change forces the belt and pulleys to react instantly to opposing forces. Engineering data shows that these abrupt directional shifts can create torque spikes significantly higher than normal operating levels. Over time, these spikes cause internal wear, misalignment, and increased stress on bearings and pulleys. Mechanics often compare this habit to hammering your transmission repeatedly. Even though the damage is not immediate, it accumulates silently. Vehicles that frequently experience this behavior show higher rates of early CVT issues, especially in city driving conditions. Taking just one extra second to fully stop before shifting can prevent years of unnecessary wear. Habit number 3. Riding the accelerator instead of maintaining steady speed. Many drivers unconsciously keep adjusting the accelerator pedal instead of holding a steady speed. This constant fluctuation forces the CVT to continuously change ratios, even when it is not necessary. Unlike traditional gearboxes that stay in one gear, a CVT is always reacting to throttle input. Frequent small changes create unnecessary movement inside the system, increasing wear and heat. Studies show that maintaining a steady throttle can reduce transmission workload by up to 30% compared to inconsistent driving. Over time, smoother driving not only protects your CVT, but also improves fuel economy. This habit is especially common on highways, where drivers slightly press and release the accelerator repeatedly. Training yourself to maintain a consistent pedal position can significantly reduce internal stress and extend transmission life. Habit number 1. Ignoring early warning signs. Your CVT rarely fails without warning. It whispers before it screams. Early symptoms like delayed acceleration, whining noises, or fluctuating RPMs are all indicators of internal issues. Studies suggest that addressing these signs early can reduce repair costs by up to 70% compared to waiting for complete failure. Unfortunately, most drivers ignore these warnings until it's too late. What starts as a minor fluid issue or belt wear can quickly escalate into major damage affecting multiple components. Mechanics often see cases where a simple service could have prevented a full transmission replacement. Your car is constantly communicating with you, and ignoring those signals is one of the most expensive mistakes you can make. That's all for this video. By now you can see the pattern. CVT damage doesn't come from one big mistake, but from small habits repeated daily. Each of these actions adds a little stress, a little heat, a little wear, until one day the transmission simply gives up. But now that you know the truth, you have the power to prevent it. Change these habits, and your CVT could last years longer.